Hello students, আজি class 12 or physics or eta topic ami alop discuss kori saum ki hoy moving charge inside a magnetic field. Jetia eta charge eta magnetic field or bhitorot move kore, then how does it behave? We will talk about this here. Suppose we consider a magnetic field given by this cross signs. Cross sign mane ki the magnetic field to bhitorot goi ase. Okay, the magnetic field is acting inside the plane of the whiteboard. So epine magnetic field to goi ase, ami ki korilu eta charge loisu q. For the sake of convenience ami charge to positive charge boli dhorilu. So the positive charge is moving with velocity v in this direction, v, and the magnetic field is in inward direction given by b. So how will this moving charge behave inside this magnetic field? Let us recall the force experienced by a moving charge on a magnetic field inside a magnetic field is given by q times v cross b. This is an experimental result and we have to remember this. Okay, so force to jitu lagi ase hetu ki hoy cross product of v cross b times charge. Now notice one thing, v cross b jitu vector amak dibo, that vector is represented by the right hand rule. Ami keneke sam, we will point our fingers towards v and then curl them towards b. V pora loi b pine curl kori. Okay, starting towards v and curling towards b, and we will notice that the force experienced is in the upward direction. Ta mane ei charge to je yate ase, this charge is experiencing a force in the upward direction. And one more important thing to note here is that jetia ami cross product koru, jeneke suppose eta vector ase a, this vector a is the cross product of vector e and f, suppose, then ki hobo, this vector a is always perpendicular to both e and f. Vector e to e and vector a to e aru f dutare perpendicular hobo lagi. Ta mane jitu force amar ei charge to experience koribo, that force is always perpendicular to both v as well as b. Ete eta kotha recall koriba, in case of circular motion jete eta particle eta circular motion execute kore, tar velocity to a direction thake, kintu jitu force thake, that force is exerted or force is experienced by the particle towards the center and is always perpendicular to the velocity. Hey force to ami ki kom, centripetal force boli kom. So ei concept to ami jodi yate use koru, ami ki dekha pam je this charge is undergoing this charge is experiencing a velocity which is perpendicular to the force. So velocity jodi force or perpendicular hoy, charge to ki koribo, eta circular motion execute koribo. Okay, so in essence what I am trying to say is that jetia eta charge eta magnetic field or bhitorot humabo, whenever a charge goes inside a magnetic field, that charge will always execute a circular motion. Eta circular motionot ei charge to ghuri thakibo. Okay, eta next part ot ami ei circular motion koi thaka obosthat kiman tar frequency hoy, kiman tar time period hoy, hebra ami ulam. Okay.